Hey, how y'all doing? Rashad Great. I'll be doing an unboxing video. And then this is my new Coolflask. It's called Coolflask. Is the name of the brand. This is the one that I'm currently using right now. Let me get some water. And with this one, you have to fill it up 4 times. And I was trying to find a replacement straw for that one, but that one, I could never find a replacement straw for it. And then the ones I found was too long, and the ones I ordered, I couldn't even find some. And then the one I found was too long, and then some of them my order got canceled. So I found the Coolflask, and this one from Amazon. So this is the Coolflask. Not bad of a price. And I got red. It's kind of wine and navy, but you know, I like red and black, so it was the closest thing. But it comes with two different mouths, you got the let me see. Let me see what this is. You got the sport lid. It says a sport lid, reusable straw lid, and then you got the wide mouth cap. So this is the wide mouth cap. Then you have, I guess this will be the sports lid, and then you have the straw lid. This is the straw lid. See? This is the straw lid. So this is a nice little rendition. You got this, so you don't even have to get the straw. But then it comes with 2 backup straws. 2 backup straws, which is important. You lose your straw, you're gonna have to untwine that thing over and over again. It's depending on what you got. And then they got an extra strap, which I guess you can hang it from somewhere. It's got everything you need, and they also got a brush so you can clean your straw, so it won't be dirty and junky. But yeah, so go ahead and get you one if you need a replacement one. I haven't been able to test it out, but that is the unboxing of my straws. My lids and my straws. Let me look at some facts for y'all on here. It can get cold for 48 hours, and it can stay hot for 24 hours. So if you need a hot cocoa, I don't know why would you do a gallon of hot cocoa, but if you got kids or whatever, y'all can share it. Pour it in something else. Pour it in a glass if you camping. You know, a cup if you camping, or whatever your thing is. But that's my unboxing video of the day. Sorry I didn't get you any fitness content. I know y'all love the shorts. I can see the numbers rising, but y'all can get some of this content too. So what is this channel? It's a self-development channel. It's for you to become the best person you can in every way, shape, or form. Faith, fitness, family, finances, and it's just been more about fitness because I'm trying to get my body right. I already told y'all about relationships. I already did that series. I already did finances for like years. So I'm just trying to keep the content new. And the number one thing that we seem like we suffer from is finances. Is all of the above. It's our finances. It's in our fitness. It's the 2 areas that we seem to struggle the most, and in our relationships. So that's the type of channel that I bring to you. Rashad Great. This is day 10 of 75 Hard. Let's go. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.